We are back in full effect. The Thrift King he is officially back. We are about to hit this thrift store. We are looking for a three-piece. Yes, you got it, a three-piece. It's the summertime. I don't care. We're gonna try to make as many different outfits with that three-piece as we possibly can later on in this video. I'm gonna give you guys a cinematic element at the end, so make sure you stay tuned. But we're gonna stop by this Goodwill. We're gonna see if we can find us a decent three-piece. I'm not looking for a particular fabric. I'm just looking for a three-piece. A three-piece that I can really break down and build back up because it is summertime. Stay tuned, because it is going D-O-W-N. Yeah, you got it. It's going down in a major way. Let's get to it. On the track, yeah. Okay, so I did find a three-piece right here. We're gonna go to the fitting room. We're gonna try this sucker on. I'm not too sure if it fits at all, but hey, that's what fitting rooms for. That's what dressing rooms for. Let's see what we got here. Okay, so we definitely have to try this on. I just want to see how this thing fits. Oh my God! Oh, it doesn't fit me. I can't even put it on my arms. Let's take a look at this three-piece though. Let's take a look. Nice little brown. Not sure who exactly this is, but I guess must be somebody from Shreveport who made it. Hey, let's see how it fits. Okay, the vest works. Normally when the vest works, the blazer will as well. Okay. Blazer doesn't, as you see, it's a whole lot of space back here. We're actually gonna take this vent, we're gonna take it down a little bit. Even more. Not bad though. Okay, got this three-piece. We're gonna head up to the register, done trying everything on. We're gonna see what this totals out to. Everything fits well. I can put it on. It doesn't fit necessarily. As you know, we're gonna have to do some tailoring to it, but let's just see exactly how much this thing gonna turn out to be. Follow your boy. Okay, so we walking out. We end up spending, I think, $11 and like 40-something cents. Let's throw that receipt up now. As you see, man, $11 and 40-something cents. We got a three-piece suit. Yo, let's take a look at how we style this three-piece suit 3 different ways for just $11, an entire three-piece suit. We're gonna get into that right about, let's say now.
AB on the track, yeah. yeah.